Cleaning out my desk a few days ago, I found this smooth stone. My wife gave it to me years ago. It has one word sort of carved on it: clarity. I'd had it tucked away and honestly kind of forgotten it, but it's interesting timing because lately I've been teaching antitrust frameworks and MLS rules and all about unstable market strategies and negotiation and clients in crisis. Lots of moving parts, lots of noise. And in every one of these conversations, the real issue isn't complexity, it's fog. When markets shift, people speed up. When headlines get loud, judgment gets cloudy. And when the stakes feel high, emotions get louder than bad math. But instability doesn't reward urgency. It rewards clarity. Clarity of data, clarity of pricing, terms, risk, clarity of communication. In negotiations, for example, clarity prevents ego from writing checks that logic can't cash. In MLS compliance, clarity prevents habits from turning into violations. And in shifting markets, clarity prevents fear from becoming strategy. Professionals don't eliminate volatility. You can't do it. We interpret it. And this little stone was never about decoration. It was about directions. When things feel uncertain, the question isn't, how do I win? It's, do I see this clearly? Before speed, before escalation, before complexity, clarity.